So in this lecture I prove two theorems. The first one is that if R is a PID and M is a finitely generated R module, then we can decompose M as direct sum of its torsion submodule and F, where F is a free module of finite rank. So how the proof goes? Because M is finitely generated module over a PID, so by cyclic decomposition theorem, M is Rx1, direct sum Rx2, direct sum Rxn. These are cyclic submodules, and these xi's are such that annihilator of xi is a superset of annihilator of xi plus 1. Let k be such that annihilator of xk plus 1 is 0 and annihilator of xk is non-zero. That is that this xk plus 1, xk plus 2, xn, these are torsion free elements. Now if these are torsion free elements, then I can break up like this, that from Rx1 to Rxk, that part I have written as T, and from Rxk plus 1 to Rxn, that part I have written as F. So I have written here that F is Rxk plus 1 in Rxn. Now each xk plus 1, xk plus 2, xn is torsion free, and so these are torsion free submodules finitely generated. So it becomes a free module. We have done this theorem. A torsion free module over a PID is a finitely generated torsion free module over a PID is free module. So, and the rank is n minus k. So we have got that you can write M as T plus F, where this is a free module of rank n minus k. Now what we need to show further, that this T equals the torsion module, torsion submodule of M. So as R is PID, so annihilator of every element is a principal ideal. So let annihilator of xk be A. So for all x in T, Ax is 0. And therefore this x belongs to the torsion submodule. Because x is in T, we show that x belongs to Tm, so T is contained in Tm. So this is one way. Conversely, if x belongs to Tm, then you can write this element as an element here and an element here. So x is equal to y plus z, where y belongs to T and z belongs to F. And because x is in Tm, so there is some R non-zero such that Rx is 0. This will mean that Rx is equal to Ry plus Rz. So, but Rx is 0, so 0 equal to Rx is equal to Ry plus Rz. But this is a direct sum, so whenever that there are two elements whose sum is 0, each of them is 0. So Rz is 0. But this is the torsion free part, so if Rz is 0, it gives you that Z is 0. Z0 will mean that x is equal to y and y belongs to Tm. So Tm is contained in T. So this completes the argument that T equals Tm. So you can have this decomposition that M equals the torsion submodule plus a free module of finite rank. In the second theorem, we have that if M and N are finitely generated module over a PID, then the two are isomorphic if and only if their torsion submodules are isomorphic, as well as rank of M by Tm equals rank of N by Tm. Now how is the proof? Let's assume that M is isomorphic to N. So there is an R module isomorphism F from M to N. So if there is an element which is torsion in M, then you will have for some non-zero R, Rx is 0. And if Rx is 0, we have that R of Fx, because this is a homomorphism, F of Rx, and this is 0. So Rfx is also 0. So Fx is also torsion. So Fx belongs to torsion submodule of N. So this gives you that image of the torsion submodule is contained in the torsion submodule of N. Now, because F is isomorphism, so F inverse exists, and the same result is also true for F inverse, that F inverse of Tn is contained in Tn. So combining this, we have that the mapping F restricted to Tm will be an isomorphism from Tm to Tn. That is, the torsion submodule of M is isomorphic to the torsion submodule of N. To prove the second part, that rank M by Tm is also equal to rank N factored by Tn, consider this R module epimorphism from N to N by Tn. Now combine this map with the homomorphism. You have that eta composition F is a mapping from M to N by Tn, which is also a R module epimorphism. Verify that this mapping or this homomorphism has kernel as torsion submodule of M. So the kernel of this eta OF is Tn. So M factored by the kernel is isomorphic to N by Tn, the image. So because the two are isomorphic, their ranks are equal. So this is one way. The other way around is that if these two results are given, we have already proved that if ranks are equal, then M by Tm is isomorphic to N by Tn. And we have also done that M is isomorphic to torsion submodule of M, direct sum M by Tm. So Tm is isomorphic to Tn, M by Tm is isomorphic to N by Tn, so M is isomorphic to N. So this way we prove both the sides of the theorem. Thank you.